Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a sound layer in Kinemaster. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that and you're in the home page, you can just press on the project where you want to do that. Find the sound layer and after that press on replace. Now press on allow and you can just replace it with a music or a sound from your device. You can just press on my files for example and find something here. You can press on it and you can replace it if you just press on the replace option, and you will be able to replace the sound layer with something else from your device. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.